Good morning. Welcome to our English class. How are you doing today? Before we start our lesson, it is encouraged that you have with you your reader's and writer's notebook, English notebook to take down notes, and your pen. Thank you. Welcome once again. Today, we will study the following: parody and its key features, and differences between parody and satire. For our objectives, 1. Define parody. 2. Explain the characteristics of a parody. 3. Identify the objectives of a parody. And lastly, differentiate parody and satire. Now let's begin our lesson. I want to redirect you to open your reader and writer's notebook on page 386. Page 386 says, Writing Parody. What do we mean by parody? A parody is an imitation or a spin-off or an original work of art or literature. Most parodies are intended to entertain, but in order to be considered satirical, the parody must be imitating the original in order to ridicule it. Parody is a comedic device in which something is imitated in a funny way. Parody alone does not have any deep meaning and is meant to simply make fun, meaning this is its objective or purpose. For us to understand parody better, click the icon, watch the video carefully. A while ago, I mentioned the word satire. What is the difference between parody and satire? Here, parody takes a specific literary work and exaggerates its form and language, often replacing serious subjects with silly ones. The use of spoof is where a writer takes the conventions of a well-known genre and pokes fun at them. On the other hand, satire uses ridicule, exaggeration, and irony to comment on society, religion, and politics. Compare and contrast parody versus satire. Look at parody on your left column. It uses exaggeration in form and language. On the other hand, satire uses ridicule, also uses exaggeration and irony. Second, serious subjects with something entertaining called spoofs. Satire, on the other hand, the subjects can be politics, religion, or the society. The intention of shaming the target is improvement, constructive social criticism. I want you to redirect your attention and open your book on page 386. There is a short selection inside the box entitled Donna Cutie and the Energy Guzzlers. I'm going to give you 5 minutes to read and understand carefully the selection. You can pause this slide or this video while reading it, after which we will try to answer questions 1 to 3. Question number 1. Underline 3 sensory details that draw you into the story. Hold on to your pen. There are possible answers like on the second paragraph, it says there, a tall, skinny girl who wore a clouded expression. Another possible answer is on third paragraph. Look at the word Sylvia's. Sylvia's room in suburban New Jersey so overflowed with books of science fiction, no one but Lunky Sylvia could squeeze it into it. Go to the second column, the first paragraph. Second sentence, a slightly rusted bicycle that's quick. Second sentence on the second column of the second paragraph. Smelled of garlic and burnt toast. Were you able to underline it? Great. We go to the second question. Circle examples of language borrowed from the original story. Possible answers are the following. First column, you will find on the third paragraph, renowned fighter and champion, Donna Cutie de la Mancha. Second column, first paragraph, novel vehicle. Another word, we have agua pora. Were you able to circle everything? Perfect. We now go to the third question. What is one key difference? Any possible guess? This could be the possible answer. Would you be so kind to jot it down? This story is set in the modern day. End of the sentence. I repeat, this story is set in the modern day. Were you able to get it? Great job, grade 6 students. Should you have any questions related to our topic today, please log into your Pearson account. Additional activities, homeworks, and discussion portions are made and downloaded. Please log in and answer them. That's all for today. Thank you, grade 6 students.